So you know how the management of mod files is very annoying? So I made this nice good old file to do it all for me. As you can see, there's this little section called Rainbow Mods in the toolbar. And it has a few options, so like you can build all the mods, which I guess you can do that normally by just linking all them to a pan project, but this is much more simple. So build all them, and then you have all those files in a temporary folder. But I'm going to yoink all those because, temporary. Then you have the create pre-releases, which is very cool, because as you can see, it makes a stays folder, makes DLL, puts DLL in the stays folder, along with any assets in the asset bundles folder, and then puts that compiled one into mod data, which I will show you in a second. And then see, voila. Now, mod data folder contains, well, obviously the data for your mods. There's a changelog which is propagated on release, a version which ordered at 1 because I wiped this photo like 100 times trying to record this, the pre-release bundle, you know, the thing you unzip into the server photo, and the changelog. An initial instance created because, yeah, you get the point. And now I can load the pre-releases, and now I'll put it all on the test servers described in these two, dev server directory and the test server directory. Dev server is source code, test is release. So it will load all of the mods that have pre-releases, or create pre-releases if they don't exist. And then if I go to the server folder, mods, by the way, this folder did not exist before that. I wiped it. And see, it all works out. And then I can do something very fun called boot test server. Woohoo! And yeah, this boots the eco server that the module is put in. Oh, and if you try to boot it twice, it doesn't let you. More of the story. Thought I had a pause command in there, but I guess not. Ah, guess not. Ah, there we go. Problem already solved. And I do not like that. Anyways, and then I can create a release, type in the mod name, because I could do all the mods at once. But I mean, like, when do you ever publish every single one of your mods you have currently published all at the same time? No. And so it will do that. It will build it, all that. And then, once it does that, this is the chances. It's like the changelog, if you know what I mean. And also edit it within the actual thing in the mod project, but meh. And so let's say, for example, made automations and ate the code. It was very, I mean, obviously these aren't chances, but for an example, yeah. And you can just save it, close it, and it finishes it. And now, as you can see, under the mod data for electric takeover, this has been finalized. And then this is switched to release instead of the pre-release that the other one's on. As you can see. Ah, it's not a zip file. I should probably fix that, huh? Lots of tiny bugs like that. And the version has been bumped to 2, and as you can see, the changelog has propagated. Now I can create the release again, same stuff, but whatever. The electric and then it does all that again. And see it has the pre-release. Instantly switched to release because there was no pre-release. Point. Let's say moo cow is yummy. Examples. Save it, close it, voila. And it propagates even more. Now if you were to run that into Discord, like for example, where did it just go? There we go. So like, this is my alt for like testing stuff. There's your entire changelog photo or file. And you can also, oh boy, just take the individual changelog. So let's say we're releasing version 2, copy it, and let's say mod update. Oh, well, I was supposed to put that in the same message, but get the point. Makes life easy. Very fun. And yeah, that pretty much sums it up. I wanted to make a way to automatically publish it to mods.io, but yeah, the API does not allow that, sadly. And I already spent like 5 hours on this, so yeah, why not? That is it.